What's up, guys? Well, as you can clearly see, I got my upgraded YD100 mounted back on the schwinn here. Now this is the third rendition of this bike. Quick history on it. Last almost 2 years ago, I rebuilt this bike with its new YD100, which that's what I'm using now. It's not a new engine, it's just got new parts in it. But back then I nicknamed it the Widowmaker. And I think now it's truly going to live up to its name. And for those of you who haven't seen my recent updates on this bike, I did the window piston, ramped the exhaust side of the piston, trimmed the skirt, put the diode reed on there, port matched all that, 21mm carb. I'm running a 105 jet and a 35 pilot. So get ready to fire this up and we'll see what she does. Now the air adjustment mixture screw, that's 1.5 turns, which is from what on my research, that's what it's supposed to be at. Let's try it again. It's getting ready to rain any time now, so we're going to run her down the road just to get us an idea what it runs like. Definitely runs a little rich. Not bad. Still gotta be broke in. Can't feed the onion third yet. Well, it's rich, and I knew it would be. Maybe check the jets when it came with it, see if there's not like a 103, I don't know, maybe a 100 main. Maybe drop down to a 32 if they got it. But the pilot, that is on the middle notch on the needle, so you know that has something to do with it too. There's a guy named David Amos. He has a really good bike channel, and he can tell you all about tuning these things. And he's got a video about notching the throttle like a kind of like a gas gauge, you know, 3/4, half, quarter, full throttle, all that. And that'll let you know where your throttle position is and what jet needs tuned. So I think I want to do that to that throttle. And first I'm going to just ride it like it is, though. It's got brand new rings of piston in it, so it needs to wear in a little bit, you know what I mean? But hey, thanks for coming along with this first ride. I think we've done some good to this bike, and we'll see it again real soon.